The impact of social media on mental health. Are you scrolling through social media late at night, feeling like you're not enough or struggling to log off? You're not alone. Social media has become a double-edged sword, connecting us to loved ones while quietly affecting our mental health. But how deep does this impact go? Stay tuned as we dive into the good, the bad, and how you can take control of your online experience. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where we tackle the issues that matter most to you. Today we're talking about social media, something that's part of almost all our lives. Whether you're on Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat, these platforms shape how we think, feel, and even sleep. In this video, we'll break down both the positive and negative effects of social media on mental health, especially for young people. Stick around for tips to create a healthier relationship with your online life. The negative effects. Let's start with the challenges. Did you know that heavy social media use has been strongly linked to anxiety and depression? A review of studies found that the constant pressure to maintain a perfect online persona can lead to feelings of inadequacy and fear of judgment. And for teens, this impact can be even greater. Cyberbullying. Around 10% of teens report being bullied online, and the emotional scars can last a lifetime. Social comparison. Let's be honest, how many of us scroll through perfectly curated feeds and feel like our lives don't measure up? For many, especially young girls, this can lead to low self-esteem and negative body image. Sleep disturbances. Raise your hand if you've checked your phone in bed. Don't worry, me too. But late-night social media use disrupts sleep patterns, leaving us tired and mentally drained. Addictive behaviors. And then there's the addictive nature of likes and comments. Platforms are designed to keep you hooked, which can lead to a cycle of seeking validation and feeling down when you don't get it. The positive effect. But it's not all bad. Social media also has its bright side, and it's important to highlight that too. Connection and support. Social media helps us stay connected with friends and family, especially during tough times. It can provide emotional support and help foster a sense of belonging. Awareness and advocacy. It's also a powerful tool for raising awareness about mental health issues. Through social media, people can access resources, connect with professionals, and join supportive communities. Tips for balance. So how can we navigate social media in a way that benefits our mental health? Here are a few quick tips. Set time limits for how long you spend on social media each day. Unfollow accounts that make you feel bad about yourself. And follow ones that inspire positivity. Take regular breaks. Digital detoxes can do wonders for your mind. And most importantly, remember that what you see online is often a highlight reel, not the full picture. Social media is a powerful tool. It's up to us how we use it. Are we going to let it control us, or will we take charge of how it affects our lives? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. How has social media impacted your mental health? Until next time, stay mindful and stay balanced.